What's up you guys, Rich here, the Brit in Mexico, bringing you today live an open house that I'm doing here in Ajijic today. I wanted to show you around and show you what you get for your money here at this moment in time, 2019 here in Ajijic. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you around this beautiful property that my friend Derek and colleague in the office has just listed, and he allowed me to come here today and do an open house. So let me show you around guys. Hope you enjoy the video, and if you haven't, consider subscribing because I'm going to be uploading videos on a regular basis all about living here in Mexico. Welcome to my open house today. And today guys, I just wanted to give you a little tour of an open house that I'm doing here in the center of Ajijic. It's a beautiful Mexican property, full of charm. This house is listed at $395,000 and it's worth every single penny. And let me tell you why. We're in a great location, walking distance from the main plaza here in Ajijic. You know, we have in the house itself, the house comes with a really nice swimming pool in the backyard with a covered jacuzzi, and throughout the house, I mean, the master bedroom's on the second floor, we're on the first floor here. This is actually the outside dining area, which is really, really cool. So you could be sat here and I'm just looking out to the pool. You could be sat here having a margarita and jumping in the pool. What a wonderful, and this has a great little terrace area just here to this side. You know, this place is full of charm. I tell you guys, you never know what to expect when you walk into a Mexican style house. You know, it's full of wood beams, full of tiles, beautiful tiles throughout the house. You know, even in the stairway, there's it's all tiled up, and the kitchen, the bathrooms, really, really beautifully done. And on the master bedroom, you have a beautiful view of Lake Chapala. It's got its own terrace area upstairs. The bathroom, the master, look out to Lake Chapala, which is fantastic. I mean, you know, getting a property in this area for this kind of price, with a view, with a swimming pool, and a nice backyard, it's not always that easy to do. And when they do come on the market, they seem to go quite quick because, you know, most people want to live in the center of Ajijic. So thanks so much for joining me on this little journey today, guys, discovering Mexico, looking at this behind the scenes of this, behind the walls of this open house that I've been doing today. I hope you've enjoyed it, and it gives you a little bit more of an idea of what you can kind of expect when you come to Ajijic. And thank you so much for watching. Hasta luego, amigos.